In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to call Resurrection in Project Mugetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the calls. So calls are phrases that you can use or say in chat to use or release your Shikai, Bankai, Resurrection, and Volständig. So you will be able to call your Resurrection by typing specific phrases in chat. So you can use any of the names. You have howl, bloom, roar, devour, scatter, reap, dance, fly, awake, dash, burst, sing, and growl, and any of these will work. So you will be able to call your resurrection by saying the word, so choose any of the call words available on this list, and then finally finish it off with the name of your Zanpakuto's name. So you will be able to type something like scatter, Senbon's Zakura, and you should see the animation go off. So all that you have to do is first fill out this bar over here. So you will be able to fill this blue bar on your character by attacking other players. And by filling this out before you actually do the call, you should be able to make it go off. So after this bar is completely filled, type it out in chat and you should see your resurrection being called. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you just have to use any of the words I mentioned plus the name of your resurrection. And as long as the blue bar is filled when you type it out, you will be able to see it go off. So choose from any of the call phrases, finish it off with the name of your specific resurrection, and you will be able to use it effectively. Make sure that everything is unlocked and you should see it go off when you type the phrase in chat. If you are on Xbox or PlayStation and you are using a controller and you cannot access chat, then this process will differ. You will have to use the controller buttons such as the D-pad first. I hope I was able to help you on how to call Resurrection in Project Mugetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.